Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show a program to check if a list contain any word which is starting from A, and we will create the program by using the Stream API. So for example, if we have input like Amit, Suresh, Animesh, Vikram, Apple, Banana, Kiwi, so we have to find with that which is starting from A. So I just found that output. So it's a starting from Amit, starting from A, Animesh is starting from A, and Apple is starting from A. So let's start. I will create a class. I created a class in Eclipse, and class name keep as a check word starting with A, and 5 is the question number, so our program number. So I just keep as a 5, and I keep as a simple input, and it will help to save the time. So now I'm going to write a main method, and I created the main method. Now I'm going to create a list. So I will make the list of a string which is a data type of string, and I will keep as a reference name as a words equal to, and I will use arrays class dot as a list. I will convert as a list, and in this list we need to pass with that list of the string, and I will paste here. So I created the string of list. Now I'm going to import the list, and now imported that two, and one is that arrays class which is belongs to util, and list which is belongs to util package. List is the interface. Now I am going to make the filters. So I will keep as a container to contain the result. So I will create here list of a string, because because we will get the result into list of a string. So I will keep as a name word starting with A, and here I will make the filters. So I have that list which is containing inside of words, the words. Then I will convert list into a stream. Then I will use the filter. In this filter we need to pass with that one by one a string. So I will keep as a s, and use with that lambda expression, then s. So basically it will contain that one by one element or one by one word. So I will check here, it's a start words with, and in this parameter we will pass with that uh, we will pass a starting with. So we will pass a capital A, and I will delete here start character, and now I am going to use that logical or to check the together condition. So I will use s dot starts with, and I will add here a small a to contain check that first one. It will check with that start with capital A, and second a small a, and in this condition we are using the logical or. So that logical or, that means if I have at least one condition true, that time it will true. Now I'm going to close this one, and after that I need to collect the data into list. So I will use here collect, and collect, and here use the collectors class dot k collectors dot to list. Yeah, I filtered the data which is starting from A, either capital A or a small a. Now I'm going to check with that. So now I'm going to write here the condition if, and then else. So in this if condition we have to use, and not firstly I check the condition word with a starting with A dot. So word starting with A. Okay, let me check what. I open the Eclipse and I created a class, and class name I keep as a check word starting with A. And for according to question number 5, so this is the program number 5, so I just keep as a number 5. Now I'm going to create a main method to run the program. So I created here. Now I'm going to make the list where we can contain the input. So I will make the list as a string, and I will keep as a reference of the string list equal to words, and in this word we can keep arrays dot list. Yeah, in this list we need to pass with that list of the value. So I will copy here, I will paste here, so it will save the some time. Now I'm going to import the list interface. So I'm just pressing the controller space, so it will give the pop-up. Now I'm just clicking here, or otherwise you can click on the control one, so it will give that pop-up option. And now you can see that now imported that array class and list interface. Now I'm going to make the filter and contain the result which is just specified according to condition. So I will make that one another reference variable here, which is a string of list. In this list we will contain the contain the result. So I will keep it a words starting with A. And in this list I have the words of the reference, so I will keep here, you can see the words. And in this words, this is the list, a string of list, and I will convert into the stream API, and I will keep as a filter. And in this filter we need to pass with that one by one condition, and one by one element, and we can check that starting with A. So I'm just passing with that s for the string for the single object, so it will contain one by one filtering. So I will keep here s dot, that means a string object dot start with, and in this parameter I will keep a capital A. Then I will use that logical or, and I will keep another condition, so which is a checking with that a small a. So I will use the start with, and in this start with we will pass that a small a, and then I will collect the data. So I will use the collect, and in this collect we need to pass with that collectors. And in this collectors class we will get that to list. So I will use here collectors dot to list. Yeah, and I will use the semicolon. So I will make the break filter and a stream, and stream dot filters, and then I will filters dot collect. Right, first I use that words dot a stream, then I use filter a stream dot filter, and filter dot collect. And in this collect method we need to pass with the parameter collectors dot to list, which is a convert into list, then it will map that. And now I'm going to print the result. So firstly we need to check with that uh, if you take the input runtime, so that time you don't know if containing that starting with a word or not. So accordingly I will check here if, and then else. So in this if block we will check the condition here word starting with a, and this is that so this is the list of the a string of the list object. So I will here check with the list is empty. If empty, that time it will give that true. So I, yeah, you can see that if return true if the list no element. So now I'm going to use with that AND operator, and here in this we will print that value. So I will use here sysout statement, that means system out dot println, and in this system dot out println I will print here the message words starting with we will use single quotation to mark that indication a, or inside a single quote I will keep here a small a is, and now here we will print that result. So I have that starting with I have that word starting with a, and similarly I will print that here else block, and here also I will use system.out.println, and in this println I just pass with that here no words starting with capital A or small a. Now my program completed. Now I'm going to run this program. So I just right click on that and run as a Java application. Yeah, you can see the result word starting with a or a small a is, so it will give the Amit, which is a capital, and Animes, which is starting with a, and Apple, which is starting with a. So this is the output. Now I'm going to add in this program. So this is the output. So, and after I will upload this program in the GitHub. You can check in that comment box, and you can use this code and learn more. Thank you. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.